Hello, sir. How are you?
Hello, sir. How are you?
Okay.
I'm fine.
May I know your name?
Yeah, of course. Why not? My name is Mohammed Ridwan. And
Okay.
what about you?
This is Russell, and may I ask you some question about yourself?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Where do you come from?
Yeah, actually, I come from Chattogram, and recently I live at the Mohammadpur in
Okay.
Dhaka. You, you?
Yeah, I'm come from Singh,
Yeah.
and I think you know about Singh.
Yes, I
And
know.
I have a question about yourself, and
Yeah.
I ask you some question.
Yeah.
Are you ready for answer this question?
Yes, of course.
Okay. I want to know about your hobby. Which type of activities do you enjoy most of the time?
Yeah. Actually, I enjoyed and my hobbies. Firstly, I am playing cricket. You know cricket,
Okay, okay.
famous games. That's why I always when my lazy time, and I spend together my friends that are playing cricket, and my most of the leisure time. Then I watching English movie for learning English, spoken English. That's why the spoken matter.
Okay, yeah, I think your all hobby is very good for your
Yeah.
activities. I
Test it.
think you want to go to abroad, for that's why you want to achieve your IELTS score.
Yeah, I will go to abroad.
Okay, I suggest you one thing. When you get free time, then you always try to listening or reading on the website or
Yeah,
any other.
English newspaper
Yeah.
and magazine, other books. The
Yeah,
English specific.
this type of topic you help you most of the
Yeah.
time. You improving your learning or reading English.
Yeah, I ask you some question for you.
Okay,
Uh,
please.
what do you spend your times leisure time?
Basically, when I get free time, then most of the time I try to always reading various
Books.
type of
Oh.
books or and sometimes I read on the website. And I when I browse website or Facebook, then most of the time I try to reading this type of activities which type of activities always help me for improving my learning skill, reading skill.
Yeah.
And that's why I always try to read this type of activities.
Do you like travel?
Yeah, travel. I know every people love travel. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Allah.
See you again.
Okay, that's very good.